Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the sudden restart or shutdown issues on Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be having two simple methods to fix the issue. So the first one is to disable automatic restart on system failure. So please go to your Windows search bar, and then there we need to search for advanced system settings, and then you will be getting here in their settings the view advanced system settings. So please make a click on that, and then you will be getting this system properties window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to the startup and recovery section, and under system failure, please select first this settings option here, and under system failure, all you need to do is just to uncheck the box for automatically restart. Once you have done this, just please click on OK to confirm, and this should resolve the issue in most cases. After doing this one, the next thing we need to do, or the second solution, if the problem is still not fixed after doing the first solution, is to modify registry settings. So to do that, simply go to the run window. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then click on this run option. Or you can just simply go to your keyboard, and then there we need to press the Windows R key altogether, and then you will be getting the same kind of window just like this one. So once this is already open, all you need to do is just to type regedit, and then we will be pressing now OK or enter, and just click on yes in this user account control window. So once you're in the registry editor window, all you need to do is just to go to the HK local machine. But first, let me just quickly minimize everything in here, because everything is expanded. So navigate to HK local machine option, and then once it is already expanded, proceed with software, and then we need to click on policy. So just scroll down and look for policies option, and then here we need to click on this Microsoft option, and then proceed with Windows. Now once you're already in here, we need to right click on Windows, and then select the new key. And then once you have done that, we need to name it Windows Updates. Now, no space. And then please click on enter. And the moment you do that, you will be getting this Windows Updates option, just like this one. So in here, all you need to do is just to make a right click again in the Windows Updates option, and then select this new key, and then here we need to type just like this one, AU. So please type just like this name, AU. After typing it in the AU section, all you need to do is just to right click on the right pane and select new, and then click on this DWORD 32-bit value. After doing that, you have to rename it, or you have to name it this no auto reboot with log on user. So please name it with this one, no auto reboot with logged on user. After doing this one, you need to right click on this newly created key, and then select this modify option, and select the value data to 1 instead of 0. And after doing that, just please make sure that the base is set to hexadecimal, and then click on OK. And after doing that, just close this registry editor window and make a quick restart with your device. And both methods should help resolve sudden restart or shutdown issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.